Hey dogs. So I'm currently making my way over to my pal Mia's house, and I'm gonna try and vlog around her, even though she's never seen me vlog before because, well, frankly, I just don't vlog. Like, this is not something that I do. This is something that I'm trying out. Can you hear my car squeaking? So somehow I deleted the sound from this section and I don't know how to add it back, so we're just gonna leave it like that. Cold and I start it. It does that. You can definitely hear that. Waking everybody up. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So plan for today, we are getting Clayton's and then going to the beach and gonna eat lunch to enjoy the sun and soak it up a little bit since it is really sunny out and that doesn't happen very much in Maine in the winter time. So yeah, I will probably catch you guys next when I'm with Mia. You little stupid ass, I ain't fucking with you. You little dumb ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. Hey guys. Hey. So I just told Mia that I'm gonna start vlogging out of all my 5 viewers that are gonna see this. So currently we're on our way to Clayton's to get sandwiches probably. And then we're gonna go to Scarborough Beach. Sit on the beach because it's wicked sunny out where it was.
Yeah, I mean,
it's fine.
A little overcast, it's good.
It's fine. And then from there, yeah, we'll just be hanging out. So we'll see you at Clayton's. Hey gang, so we got our sandwiches. They're down here. Super stoked to eat those. We're on our way to Scarborough and Old Orchard Beach. I don't know if you can see the signs. We're on our way to Scarborough Beach and we're gonna meet Isabel there, our friend from Portland. So yeah, we're super excited. I'm so excited to eat my freaking food. All right, so, update. So we're getting closer to the beach. I really want that sandwich now.
I love that sandwich so bad.
Yeah. So we're almost at the beach. It's not as sunny anymore. It's like okay, but it's just not.
The beach is still beautiful.
True. There's so many cops.
I know.
Good thing.
What the heck? Also, it's so annoying that they have gray cars.
Yeah, they're not even look like cop cars.
So you can't really tell.
There are a lot of men on that route.
Cops are dicks, Lexi said.
Oh, I believe that. Alright, well, we'll update you guys when we're at the beach, but we're literally going through the marsh right now. It's wicked cute. Yeah. Scarborough Beach, we can't tell if it's open because cars are parked alongside the road but nobody's going in and it's closed off. But also Higgins Beach is just more fun and I think less sus, so we're gonna go to Higgins Beach now. Isabel's following us. Well, I don't know why I thought you could see it.
I don't have any service. Will you look up on Google?
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to Higgins Beach now. Oh my god, people are surfing right now. That's so cool. That's gotta be cold.
We love people who surf.
That's actually so hot. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, car. We made it. It's
Wait, I need to
Isabel.
collect all of my things.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, vlog. What's this for?
I'm gonna start vlogging and posting them on YouTube. I started editing today and it was actually hilarious.
Who knew it'd be this windy?
I know. We'll be okay, I think. Do you see all the guys surfing?
Yeah.
So hot.
So hot.
Okay.
Like, I'm not gonna argue with you.
I was like, oh gosh, I don't even know how old they are. It's fine. I know, this is probably the best time to surf. The sun is like literally setting. Look at them surf. Look at my sandwich. Look at them surf.
I was talking to Finn and I was like,
The sandwich is so good.
From Greeley or like?
It's the Reuben from Clay's.
but no.
Clayton's. Ooh.
Oh,
Half
yes.
flag.
Into the ocean he goes. He is the ocean man. Yum. Can we just take a minute? Oh my god, it's so pretty. That feels. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna drop my water bottle. Oh, I got it. Alright. What's on the side? Oh god, I'm a mess.
I dropped mine. You can keep yours.
Oh, I love this song. Don't need to change. Look how cute! It'll just soon be destroyed. Woo! Mayonnaise?
So.
So we
Yeah.
just got finished at the beach taking pictures.
It's freezing.
Yeah,
beautiful,
but it's so pretty. We got so many cute pictures, which is weird because I don't ever look cute in pictures, which is so
Retweet.
exciting. So yeah, you probably see it on my Instagram. Go check it out. I'll put our. I don't know how to do that. Just kidding. But go like it on Instagram. Yeah, and now we're just pretty much chilling, editing the videos, so, or the photos. But I don't know what our next game plan is. Bye.